Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL OT11 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do this, open Settings application and choose your first option, Network and Internet. In it, we tap on SIMs, we tap on our SIM card's name and there scroll, and we must turn on our mobile data to set data limits, and there tap on our data warming and limit. In it, first step, we can set when our sales start, maybe first day of each month. There by this switch we can turn on and turn off data warming, and we can set it in custom number in gigabytes and megabytes. Maybe you set 2 gigabytes will be okay, and there we can set data limits but by turn on by the switch, confirm by OK, and there in the same style we can set it maybe for 8 gigabytes. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!